Hi, this is Tracy. Hey, I got some great news that I'd like to share with you. Um, I've come across some information that may be very useful to you at this time that we're all dealing with losing our jobs to COVID. I did find out that being a COVID-19 contact tracer will pay you anywhere from $17 to $25 per hour. This is a job, a remote job from home. Um, and this is a great way to, to get involved and help people with the COVID-19 that they're dealing with. It is, I do want to show you where you can go to get that free course. It is going to take you approximately about 8 to 10 hours, depending on your learning ability. Now, I did take the course myself, and it was a super easy course. I really, really loved it. What you can do is you go to the website that is spelled Coursera.org, and it's spelled Coursera.org. And you go to the website, and then you go into the search tool here, and you want to select the COVID-19 contact tracing course. If you don't see this in your search, then go ahead and just type it in the box right here, and you will just select the search tool. But for now, I seem to have it here already, so I'm going to go ahead and select this. And it's going to take me to that page where I'm going to sign up and create my own account, my free account. The course is going to go ahead and start and explain what the COVID-19 contact tracer is all about. Now, the lady that explains the course to you and she reads everything to you, her name is Emily Gurley. She's a PhD. Here she is right here. Her voice is very comforting, and she really goes very slowly through the course so you can grab all the information that she's telling you. And then at the end of each chapter, she will ask you questions, maybe like 5 or 6 questions at the end of each chapter. Now, if you do not get a very good grade, you can always go back to the chapter and reread it again, or basically a lot of this is about videos and you'll just kind of listen to them. But you can go back and review the chapter as many times as you need. You can answer the questions as many times as you need. So it's a great, great course. I believe there's probably 10 to 12 chapters in this course, and you can take your own time with this. You can go as fast as you want or as slow as you want. This is totally up to you. Now, I also wanted to show you something else. Once you do complete this course, you will automatically receive a certificate that is sent to your email. Once you receive that email, you can download it on your computer for future reference and print it. And you can also download it as a picture so that if you need to share it with anybody that you can. And I do advise you to go ahead and update your resume and go ahead and put that you have completed the COVID-19 contact tracing position here. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you is if you go to a job platform like Indeed.com or Glassdoor or ZipRecruiter, Monster, there's just so many out there that you can go on the job platform and you can search for COVID-19 contact tracer jobs. This one here, I have Indeed.com, and I went ahead and put in the search results what I'm looking for, and I went ahead and typed COVID-19 contact tracer. And where it says where, which normally you would put your state or your county or your city, I just went ahead and put anywhere because this is a remote position, meaning that a company in Pennsylvania and you live in California, they would still hire you in California. So you can virtually work for any company within the United States, no matter where you live, as long as you have a computer or a laptop. I'm not really sure if they will allow you to use a cell phone to do this type of job. It probably depends on the company that hires you with. But I wanted you to see on Indeed, I went ahead and put COVID-19 contact tracer, and it gave me like 498 jobs under this position. So this is pretty big, and I just wanted to share this with you, give this opportunity to you and to others that you may know that really could use some extra money right now. I don't know how long this particular job will last. It really depends on what's going on, how long COVID is going to last here in the United States in different many cities. And then I also wanted to share something with you too. If you can create a Google alert for this position, and what this does, it will send you notifications anytime that this position is available, like within your state. So all you have to do is open up your Google browser and type in google.com and /alerts. And then this page will pop up and it says create an alert. So what you can do is you can put COVID. Sorry, my computer's running slow. 19 contact tracer jobs, and you could put anywhere, or you could put I'm going to take anywhere out. I'm going to put, you can specify like which state if you wanted to. I'm just going to go ahead and put in United States. Okay, let me make sure I spelled that right. And it's a COVID-19 contact tracer. Okay, so I put the tags for this job here, and then this button pops up and you just select create the alert. And what this does, it will send you a notification into the email, and it will show you which email down here, which this is mine, but it'll show you what your email will be. Now, once this is created here on the list, you want to go over here to your edit button, and that's really, really important because the edit button will narrow everything down. It's kind of what you call advanced settings. And so here it's asking, well, how often do you want to receive these notifications? And that's just totally up to your preference. If you're really, really needing, something super fast, I would put like as it happens, so you can get those notifications and you can apply for those positions as quickly as possible. I know these jobs are going to go really, really fast. Sources can say automatic. Your language can be English or whatever language that you want these alerts to come through. And the region is very important. Just go ahead and put United States. If I had put, like my state, if I would not have put United States and I would have put Oklahoma or Arkansas or Texas, then I would definitely want to make sure that the region was United States. Okay, and then after that is completed, you go ahead and select Update Alert. And once that is completed, this gives you the list. This shows you all the lists